Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about orchids. I will show orchid care with 2 important tricks. 1. The use of cinnamon in orchids. On the body of one orchid you just bought the powdered cinnamon. Pour up to 1 teaspoon. I use it on all orchids. Two important trick. For insect control in newly purchased orchids. 1 apple slice you slice thinly. You can put it in the top soil of the orchid. Leave this for 1 night. Reversing at the end of 1 night. You can see insects accumulating on it. When you apply this process to all orchids like this, will make lots of flower branches. If you watch my video here, press the like button immediately. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to support me by